Rajasthan Vikas Sansthan. It is a registered society at Jodhpur formed by a group of philanthropists in 1999. One of the objectives of RVS is to bring young Indians with a special focus on Rajasthan into the field of higher education. Mr. Manish Vyas, a founder who is young, eminent entrepreneur with zeal to promote technical education. He is a visionary with a vision to channelize the youth's energy in a constructive manner. Under the guidance of Mr. Vyas, the institutions are reaching the zenith of success every passing year. We at Rajasthan Vikas Sansthan will create a center of academic excellence in the field of management, technical, medical, and health sciences by nurturing talent and creativity through a value, dedicated team and visionary. We as a team inspire among students a trust in organization, valuable assets that we constantly try to enhance and transfigure talent into quality workforce through channeling the youth energy in a way which helps them to grow and enables them to contribute maximum to humanist lines. Rajasthan is a unique and the largest state of Indian Union in terms of area. Jaipur, the Pink City, is the capital of Rajasthan. Its heritage, culture, safaris, pink rock, India's oldest mountain range, lush forests and wildlife makes it a hot destination for tourists. The Sun City, Jodhpur. Jodhpur was capital of Marwar princely state. It has many palaces, forts and temples. It is known as the Sun City for the sunny days and also referred as Blue City for the indigo tinge of the whitewashed houses. It is the mecca of tourism in Rajasthan. The crowning laurel of educational institutions of Jodhpur is Vyas Institutes of Higher Education. Jodhpur is the geographic center of Rajasthan. It is well knit by air as regular flights are available from Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur and Udaipur. Jodhpur is well connected by railway lines. Trains to Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are easily available. Vyas Institutes of Higher Education are running under the patronage of Rajasthan Vikas Sansthan. Since the inception, it has spread its wings and grown from strength to strength. Today, VIHE nurtures number of professional institutions and thousands of students cutting across the borders. VIHE came into limelight with an ennobling objective to create a band of young and qualitative professionals with substance in the field of medical, engineering and management. Vyas Dental College and Hospital. At one stage or other, nobody has escaped dentist. Dental science is a rapidly changing field. It is no more just related to teeth alone. Today, dentists try to improve the patient's appearance through cosmetology. In urban and rural areas, people are faced with shortage of good dentists. Oral ill health is an unnoticed area of health. Adequate dental health professionals are the need of the hour. Thus, VIHE jumped into the ring to contribute towards the oral health of the society by establishing VDCH. The institute offers a 5-year bachelor degree in dental surgery, that is BDS. The institute is approved by Dental Council of India and Rajasthan University of Health Science, that is RUHS. One of the objectives of the institute is to conduct professional research and provide specialized dental health care.
This is a fantastic place to be in. The students are provided with world-class education. We are providing them with great amount of infrastructure. The faculty over here is, most of them are MDS. We have around 30 MDS staff working for us, and then we also have BDS faculty working. And the infrastructure which we have provided with is excellent. That all the departments are furnished with the latest equipments available in the country. Every day new things are added. We have a fantastic library. The education we are thinking of providing to the students is a world-class education.
The college is guided by Dr. Sudhakar Bhatt, principal of the college, and a band of experienced, trained and qualified faculty, coupled with the best infrastructure such as library and pre-clinical labs. Dr. Bhatt did his BDS from Government Dental College, Bangalore, MDS from Manipal College of Dental Sciences, and has guided more than 25 MDS theses.
I, Afsha Qureshi, am a proud student of Vyas Dental College. The college, with its best infrastructure and faculty, has given us a beautiful outlet to this new world of dentistry. We are proud to be the student of Vyas Dental College.
Vyas Institute of Engineering and Technology. Engineering and technology is part and parcel of our lives. There is engineering and technology in everything that we do or speak or think. India is growing amazingly faster than one could think of and gearing to become one of the superpowers. The momentum lies in the hands of young India. VIET foresees innovative and committed engineers and technocrats to take India to zenith and conquer the world. The institute focuses on electrical and electronics engineering, electronic communication engineering, computer science and information technology. VIET has a well-qualified faculty and has Professor Kamlesh Purohit as its principal.
This institute was established in 2007 with the motto to serve the society in the field of engineering and technical education. It is basically a unit of Rajasthan Vikas Sansthan. We have to start with 4 branches of engineering: computer science, information technology, electronics communication. Beside these 3, the 4th one is electrical and electronics engineering. In fact, this is one of the very important branch which was introduced first time in Rajasthan by this institute. It is a combination of electrical and electronics engineering, which is a vital need of today's industrial economic. The faculty of this engineering college is renowned. We have almost 50 faculty members in this 3rd year of engineering. Most of them are MTech and PhDs, and they have a wide experience, a rich as well as young, dynamic, experienced faculty. We are working in the direction of the training and placement. We have signed a memorandum of understanding with a few of the US companies like Telesynergy, IGT System and OpelSoft of USA. We have a full-fledged training and placement officer which is working round the clock for these students to be placed just after 1 year. We plan in the future that a few more software on the languages, other European languages like Spanish, Italy and of course Chinese to introduce in this system, so that the student can interact with the outer world and they can definitely get a better job perspectives in this area.
Dr. Purohit is an eminent educationist with an experience of more than 25 years in teaching undergraduate and postgraduate students. He had to his credit number of research articles in international and national journals. He has guided 3 PhDs. Vyas Engineering College for Girls. In our country, education of female is lagging far behind the male population. there is a gender discrimination and disparity. To eliminate this gender-biased India ethos, we need to empower women through education, especially in the field of professional education.
Myself, Sajal Modi from Vyas Engineering College for Girls. My branch is Electronics and Communication from 2nd semester. We get complete facilities of all the labs here with good infrastructure and well building. The teachers here are very cooperative and supportive. Whatever problem we have, we can go anytime to them and they are really cooperative.
In this view, VIAG initiated an exclusive engineering institute only for young girls. The institute offers engineering courses in computer science and engineering, information technology, electronic and communication engineering. VECG is headed by Professor Akhil Ranjan Garg, PhD from IIT Delhi, and has been former DAAD scholarship holder.
So in the world, there are only 12% of the engineering workforce which belong to the category of women. So we, as a college dedicated for women engineers, want to increase the number of women engineers in the world. Engineers with a difference. In our college, we do a lot of activities which will make women engineers which are employable and confident to become very good engineer. For example, in the first year itself, we took the students to national seminar which was held in Institution of Engineers. We also give live project to students so that they get a know-how of developing new devices, to know how these devices work. We arrange large industrial trips for the students and have institute industry interaction so as to have the student the knowledge of the requirement of industry. In addition to this, we organized technical festival named with Spark, in which we had technical events as well as cultural events, and most of the students of this college participated in various events to excel in other activities to become a total engineer in itself.
He has been recipient of Young Teachers Career Award of AICTE. He has published number of papers in leading international and national journals. Vyas Institute of Management. India is a resource center of global manager. We have all the required resources in India, and yet we lag behind developed nations due to failure in our management. Currently, the institute has put its weight on financing, marketing, human resources, information technology management, and tourism and hotel management. VIM is growing under the leadership of a very dynamic educationist, Professor G.N. Purohit, Director VIM. Vyas Nursing Institute. VNI offers a 3-year general nursing course to the people of empathy and sympathy. Nurses are the guardian angels of our health. VNI prepares nurses to render a selfless service to humanity.
Myself, Jitendra Khatri, मैं व्यास नर्सिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का प्रिंसिपल हूँ। हमारे इस व्यास नर्सिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर हम GNM कोर्स चलाते हैं, जनरल नर्सिंग एंड मिडवाइफरी कोर्स, जो कि 3.5 साल का कोर्स है। और इसके अंदर हमारे पास पर ईयर 60 स्टूडेंट्स की कैपेसिटी है, जिसके अंदर 30 सीट्स गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है और 30 सीट्स हमको प्राइवेट फेडरेशंस प्रोवाइड करती हैं। इस 60 सीट्स के अंदर ऑल ओवर इंडिया से कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो 12th किसी भी स्ट्रीम में, चाहे साइंस हो, आर्ट्स हो, कॉमर्स हो, एग्रीकल्चर हो, मिनिमम 40% चाहिए, अगर वो है तो वो अप्लाई कर सकता है और हमारे यहाँ एडमिशन ले सकता है। इसके अलावा हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर हमारे पास 18 फैकल्टी है फुल टाइम और 2 फैकल्टीज़ है हमारे पास पार्ट टाइम, जो कि बच्चों को पूरा उनको थ्योरेटिकल और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देने के अंदर सहायता करती है। हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को जब हमारे यहाँ एडमिशन लेते हैं उसको हम स्टूडेंट्स को पूरा एनवायरनमेंट देते हैं कि वो अच्छे से अच्छा 3.5 साल का कोर्स अच्छे से अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ सके, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ले सके। उसके लिए हमने स्टूडेंट्स को प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल के अंदर, जितनी भी यहाँ जोधपुर के अंदर प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, वहाँ से हम लोगों ने एफिलिएशन लिया हुआ है। हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को हम थ्योरी क्लासेस कराने के बाद हम लोग उनको प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस के लिए वहाँ भेजते हैं। जो वहाँ पे हमारे क्लिनिकल इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं वो उनको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देते हैं। वहाँ पे वो पेशेंट के साथ रूबरू होते हैं, पेशेंट को किस तरह से दवाई देनी है, किस तरह से मेडिकेशंस देनी है, उन्हें किस तरह से सेवा करनी है, वो पूरा काम करते हैं।
It focuses on promotion, preservation and restoration of health with rehabilitation. The entire curriculum guides a person to implement the aforesaid areas of good health. Vyas B.Ed College. The quality of the teachers is the quality of the nation. They are the masons of life of an individual as a nation and world at large.
मैं व्यास B.Ed कॉलेज की छात्रा हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे B.Ed करने आई हूँ। और मुझे यहाँ पे सबसे प्लस पॉइंट ये लगता है कि यहाँ के जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं, हमारा टीचिंग स्टाफ है, वो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सपोर्टिव है। और चाहे नोट्स हो, चाहे टीचिंग मेथड्स हो, हर मामले में हमको पूरा सपोर्ट करता है।
मैं यहाँ व्यास B.Ed कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल हूँ। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर सर्वोत्तम माथुर है। हमारे इस व्यास B.Ed में 200 स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो अभी B.Ed की शिक्षा प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ हम उनको लेसन्स के लिए दूसरी स्कूलों में भी ले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे उनको लेसन दिलाते हैं। और जो भी हमारे माइक्रो टीचिंग्स और जो भी B.Ed से संबंधित है वो हम सब यहाँ कराते हैं। ये सेशनल्स के कार्य वो यहाँ पे करते हैं। सेशनल्स के साथ साथ जो उनके वावा है वो भी वो लोग देते हैं। इस प्रकार हमारे यहाँ का जो स्टूडेंट है वो हर इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करता है बड़े इंटरेस्ट ले करके। इसके साथ साथ हम उसको ये सिखाते हैं कि उसका भविष्य आगे चल के कैसा होगा। उसको ये जितना भी प्राइवेटाइजेशन का युग आ रहा है उसके अंदर वो किस प्रकार से अपने आप को योग्य बनाए, ये हमारी खास उसको एक शिक्षा दी जाती है। उसके साथ साथ हम उसको ये भी सिखाते हैं कि भैया इस समाज के अंदर एक भला मानव भी आपको बनना है, अपने प्रोफेशन का नाम ऊंचा करना है, यहाँ पे जो भी ऑनेस्टी है उसको आपको रखना है। इस प्रकार से हम उसको सर्वांगीण विकास यहाँ उस हम स्टूडेंट का यहाँ पर करते हैं।
VIHE aims nothing but quality of the teachers in its B.Ed college. Vyas College of Commerce and Business Management. The college offers BBA and BCom honors. It aims to widen the knowledge of horizons and hone the students' intellectual acumen. Training and Placement Cell. VIHE has entered into a memorandum of understanding to provide industrial training and placement to its students.
राजस्थान विकास संस्थान की छत्रछाया में व्यास हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन के अंडर में हमारा महाविद्यालय, जिसका नाम कि व्यास कॉमर्स कॉलेज ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है। और इस महाविद्यालय में वर्तमान में 3 कोर्सेज आयोजित किए जा रहे हैं। एक कोर्स है BBA